Fengshi now has 2 factories in total, more than 4,000 square meters and more than 50 employees. Their main products are high-brightness LCD modules, open-frame display, window-facing LCD display. And weatherproof outdoor display. Product size range from 0.1 inch to 98 inch. Max brightness up to 5,000 nits. Fengshi is a national high-tech enterprise and have obtained more than 15 patents and other certifications, includes ISO 9001, ISO 14001, CE, FCC. Here is part of the factory. It specially produced the open-frame display, window-facing display, and weatherproof outdoor display. These products are using original brand industrial-grade open cell from LG, BOE, AUO, etc., and their own design LED backlight module, aluminum structure. It makes the product light and very effective heat dissipation. This is our window-facing display. It's designed for the advertising brand promotion for store owners at their in-window environment. After the assembly, each product will be fully inspected, colored and brightness test, aging test, and they will be packed well and shipped. This is the open frame display with built-in power supply unit and mainboard, with or without front protective glass. Be it as a mounting hose, it can be put into any cabinet or housing easy to make it a complete machine. These are our window-facing displays. We have the single-sided and the double-sided ones. Size range from 32 inch to 86 inch. Max brightness up to 5,000 nits. Industrial-grade open cell, no black mura under direct sunlight. Quiet operation cooling fans with QWP technology. This is the weatherproof outdoor display from 32 inch to 55 inch. Max brightness up to 5,000 nits. IP55 or IP66 production level. Front screen use industrial-grade high TNI 110 open cell and optical bonding technology with AG, AR or normal tempered glass. Fans cooling, even narrow bezel. Suitable for many outdoor applications. We are the source factory and we can provide OEM and ODM services as well. Welcome to visit us or contact us now. We are reachable anytime when you need.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.